Welcome back, guys. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope. Sorry about that sun, my bad. All right, so today we're at a 1-story. Well, actually it's 2-story, but dryer's on the first floor behind the garage here. And saying it's taken multiple cycles to dry load it. So I haven't turned the dryer on or anything yet, but we're gonna come up and look at it. Check it out. All right, so we're up here, and let me try to cover that light. So it looks pretty good. I mean, not good. I mean, it looks pretty full, but I don't know. So let me get my toys down. We're gonna figure it out. But it doesn't sound that bad, guys. But I mean, it's dirty back there, but well, okay. So let's turn it on. Man, come on. There we go. Let's go see. We have the dryer running. Man, I don't know, guys. It doesn't seem to be that bad. Let's airflow reading. All right, let's see how long these cameras last. So you see, I don't know, miles per hour first. Low 10s, and then cubic feet. Oh, move your hand, dummy. So we're low 9s. All right, let's clean the dryer. If you're enjoying this, please hit that like button. Please, please, please. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Sorry, I'm gonna get you out of that. It really helps. It doesn't cost you anything. So I'm getting close to the elbow. So there's the elbow. Why in the world is this thing clogging or binding on itself like it is? That was weird. thinking I'm gonna have to run it up the vertical as well. It's because that I don't want to force my way through that elbow. Even with this brush, I don't want to force my way through because I don't want to have to fix it. Hopefully that sun's not in your eyes. What I'm going to do first off, take it apart right here. I don't know, not too bad. But. So I'm going to go get my brush and I'm going to run it up the vertical because again, I don't want to blow that elbow because then I'm cutting the ceiling and holding that ceiling because there are rooms above. So it's not worth it to me. Now, like I said, I'm going to clean out the vertical just up to that elbow because again, I've already cleaned away from the exterior. Let's do it. So there's the elbow. And I know before you say something, guys, I just broke my last mask. Whatever. And that's just in the vertical. That's just right here. Y'all ready to clean up a little? I am. So now I'm going to try to position my blower. If it turned on, push the machine back to where it holds. The machine itself holds it in place. So let me see if I can get you guys an angle. And now with the machine pushed back and blower on, plug it in. And so immediately we come out, and I mean, you can hear it when you walk around the side of the garage. So, oh yeah. Don't get much better than that, guys. Doesn't get much better than that. So, now what I need to do is get this GoPro out of the sun. So now I'm going to go plug everything back in, and then we're going to check that airflow and see if we have it improved. I bet we have. Unplug it. It goes off. What do you know? Finish getting this up. Found a tip. That looks better. I need to get it out, but I don't run my brush through this. Even though it's metal, it'll still break. Much better. Let's put it back together. Now, we gotta plug it in. I come back in and I look around. My replacement mask. Whatever. We got everything back in place. Looking good, looking good. So, turn it on. Time dry. High. So, it's hot. Hit that like button, guys. So, let's go out and test some airflow. Shall we? Good Lord. You can already see, sorry about my fingers, you can already see the damper door flapping in the breeze. So it's definitely going to be better. All right, on. And I guess we ended with feet per minute last time, so we'll start with that. Definitely better. I can't remember what it was before. For a fact it wasn't 13 and a half, high 13. say this better, guys. Boom. Well, it just dawned on me that I forgot to do an outro. Driving back, found this nice little puddle of water that I think I'm gonna have to throw a rooster tail at a couple times. It's the middle of the day, I'm not gonna catch anything, but guys, please hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It helps with the algorithm and all that junk, but it does help boost my message to other people, because believe me, I'm not getting rich from YouTube, let's be real. But Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope, guys. It is phenomenal. I've been getting orders like crazy since I started the YouTube channel. Yeah, that's literally why I started the channel. So, appreciate you guys.